Wow, I don't know where to start. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. As you can see, this is the Rideshare Hub. I know this channel is about Uber and Lyft and rideshare and food delivery and everything about the gig economy. And I also think that I should be real with you guys, and I want to make this video to update you all with everything that's going on, and because, you know, sometimes it is hard and life isn't always that easy. Somebody once told me, you know, everyone has problems. I have problems, you have problems, everyone has problems. And that's why when you go to pick up a passenger, you never know what they're going through. And when you're driving Uber and Lyft, you know, life isn't always that easy. There's a big learning curve, for instance, for new drivers. And basically, I just want to make this video just to say that, you know, life isn't always super easy. And I also wanted to update you guys because this channel is going to be changing, and you know, I didn't want to just drop off the face of the earth or have you guys think that something's wrong if I stop posting when I stop posting, because at this point right now I've been uploading videos every single day, and it's just too hard. And every time I post a video, I don't know what my next video is going to be. So it's every single day of posting, and sometimes it just gets a little too difficult. And as you guys know, I am in school right now, in college, and also working. I have another job and driving Uber and Lyft. It's a lot on my plate right now, and just for instance, right now, what time is it? It is, you see that? 1:19 a.m. It's not 1:19 p.m. It's dark outside right now, and this is literally the first chance I got to sit down and make a video. You know, I didn't have a video to put up tomorrow, so I thought, why not just be completely real with you guys? First of all, I want to talk about three things. I want to talk about my channel, what's going on with that, Uber and Lyft, and my personal life. So first of all, with my channel, I just uploaded a video called I Lost All My Money. As you guys know, I have been uploading videos where I tip drivers. I tipped drivers $1,000, and it was so touching to me. You know, one of the drivers, he was a single father, and I just felt compelled to, you know, we left him a big tip and wanted to help him out with his kid and stuff. But the video hasn't even, yeah, so basically I made this video about how I lost my money, and the comments, guys, like, you know, this guy, stop with the clickbait titles, man. I like you, man, but when the video consistently doesn't match the title, it makes me not want to watch your videos. This video bend me down. My first time watching you. It appears that you are trying too hard to bait people. It doesn't feel sincere. This guy walks into a room where people are laughing and having fun and enjoying the party, and he declares, "Hey everybody, you are all going to wake up tomorrow with a huge hangover. Stop drinking." Yeah, like, there are quite a bit of positive comments, but I don't know if I just tend to focus on the negative ones. But it's like when somebody's down, you don't, there's a French poem, it's called Ne laissez pas une femme qui tombe, I think, or something like that. It's like don't kick a woman while she's down. You know, when she's falling or something. Don't hit a woman as she's falling. It's all talking about like oppressed women and whatever. But when somebody's down, you don't kick them. You know, and so, you know, I go out of all my way. I make merch, and you know, I understand that you know, not everybody wants the merch, but for those people who buy the merch, thank you so much. You know, you are part of the Rideshare Hub Club with me. We're doing this together, and you know, I have a bunch, and you know, maybe I'll just give them away to one of my biggest supporters, whoever comments the most on my videos. I'll probably just give you a bunch of shirts, a bunch of the Rideshare Hub shirts. What else? Yeah, I mean, like I said, I just don't have a bunch of time to film and edit. And now that the channel's growing, like all these companies want to sponsor my videos, and it just, I don't know, I never really did this for the money, but now that we have this community together, I feel so connected to you guys that, I mean, somebody asked me like, why are you making a video about something so personal? And it's like, you guys are the closest people to me, so that's really why. But yeah, other than that, like, basically what I wanted to say is that I don't think I'm going to be posting as much, probably not every day anymore. And then with Uber and Lyft, yeah, Uber's about to IPO, Lyft already hit their IPO. I think driving right now is one of the best things to do. So I'll probably start driving more. You know, as I'm just doing it part-time right now, but and then personally, you know, I'm in college and I'm in school and it's stressful, and I don't want to go on and on and on about that, but you know, with Uber and Lyft, it's remarkable. Every time I talk to one of you guys, another Uber or Lyft driver, it's amazing. I love the feedback. I love connecting with you guys. We do have a Facebook group. Please join the Facebook group if you want to chat more, or if you know, just want to connect with other drivers. It's a great place. And I mean, this channel too, in the comment section, you know, interact with each other, respond to other people's comments. I love when I see, you know, people having conversations in there. I can't get to all of them, so but yeah, guys, don't worry about me. You know, you know, I'm fine. I just wanted to update you guys just in case, you know, I stopped posting for a couple weeks or something. Just stay subscribed, and you know, if you don't follow the Rideshare Hub, and you know, this is just the first video you watch that you happen to find of me, you know, go watch the other videos. Trust me, there's a bunch of other videos on Uber and Lyft that are great. This video is just to basically reach out to the, you know, the big devoters, I guess, the big fans, not fans. Although somebody did come up to me the other day who called himself a fan, so maybe I do, but no, this video is for people who, you know, really support me, and really, you know, who do buy the merch and who do watch the video. I understand if you don't, you know, the merch, not everybody has an extra $20. You know, when I first started driving, heck no, I would not buy merch. You know, I was, as you guys know, and from my last video, or the other video called Uber/Lyft driver sign up bonus for everyone, I go over why I started driving and how Lyft and Uber helped me pay off my debt and paid off my car. I don't have a car payment anymore. I don't have a credit card payment anymore. So I have Lyft and Uber to thank for that. But anyways, that's it for today's video. stay safe out there, guys, and stay mentally safe. Mental health is number one. Take care of yourself. Seeing a therapist is totally fine, even if you have nothing crazy or serious going on. If you have insurance, I definitely recommend going to see a therapist or just talking to somebody close to you. You guys can always reach out to me. I'm always, you know, I want to be here as much as I can. You know, unfortunately I can't get to everyone, but you know, I have my email down there and I read all of them. So feel free to reach out to me if you ever have anything. If you ever need anything, I will do my best. Or if I can't personally help you, I will put you in touch with somebody who can. So anyways, thank you guys for watching so much. I do appreciate it. I think I'm just gonna call it, I don't know what I'm gonna title this video or anything, but I think that's it for today's video, guys. Don't thumbs down the video, you know, just because I want to make this channel as real as possible. And trust me, sometimes when I drive Uber and Lyft, yes, I do have a bad passenger, and I'm thinking in my head, why am I driving? And then I remember why. Okay, you know, I have goals. You know, I want to buy a house, and you know, every single dollar that I make accumulates to, you know, this house that I want to buy or whatever. You know, that for me, that's my end. Maybe not my end, but financially, that's where I want to be. That's my next thing that I'm working for, is buying a house. So for you, that might be something different. It might be taking care of your kid, or, you know, going back to school, or whatever it is, you know, whatever your why is. Maybe it's literally just getting through the next day. Trust me, I've been there. Just remember that. Keep that in mind while you're driving and while you're having doubts. Remember your why. I can't stress that enough. And drive smart. You know, follow the tips that I share in my other videos, for my Uber and Lyft tip videos. You know, you don't need to drive, you know, 60 hours a week. Drive part-time. Get a job where that's stable, and then drive Uber and Lyft on the side to supplement your income. Boost, you know, be creative about how you can boost your income. But also drive smart when you're driving Uber and Lyft, you know. Follow the steps and the tips and the, you know, the secrets, the 40 secrets. These things do help a lot. These things have helped me a ton, and that's why I share it with you guys. And go through the apps that help you make more money, like Play Octopus, Stereo, Rapify, what else? Viewer, Cargo. You know, some of these things are only going to be an extra 50 bucks a week or 100 bucks a month. But if you can get, you know, these things add up. So, you know, and get your passengers to sign up for Uber and Lyft to become drivers or passengers. Like when you have a group of 4 to 5 passengers, ask them, you know, hey, does anybody here not have the Lyft app and want to get a free ride? And then, you know, you can refer your passenger to sign up for Lyft, and you get $5 or $10 per sign up. So, you know, especially if you're driving at night, it's easy to convince the drunk people to sign up and get a free ride home. So, you know, be creative with those kind of things. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I know this was a kind of a bit of a ramble of a video, but I felt like I just needed to put that out there so you guys know exactly what's going on. That's it for today's video. Thank you all. I will see you all next time. All right, bye.